morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the chapter of tables in Microsoft Word.
Table is made up of rows and columns. The vertical data is called a column and horizontal data is called a row. Each individual unit rectangle is called a cell. Tables are used to organize and display information in a systematic manner. Inserting a table. To insert a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Table from the Tables group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Insert Table option from it. Step 4. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter the number of columns and rows you want to insert in your table. We have set number of columns as 3 and rows as 2. Step 5. Click OK button.
A table with 2 rows and 3 columns gets inserted. You can enter data by simply typing in the cells.
When you insert a table, 2 new tabs, Design and Layout, appear on the ribbon, displaying various table tools.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Insert or Insert tab, Table from the Tables group, and select Insert Table option to insert a new table in Word 2013 or 2016.
Inserting rows and columns. You can add rows and columns in the table using the Layout tab. To add columns to a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a column. Here, the cursor has been placed on the last column. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert Right or Insert Left from Rows and Columns group.
An empty column gets inserted. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Insert Right or Insert Left command from the Rows and Columns group of Layout or Layout tab to add columns to a table in Word 2013 or 2016.
To add rows to a table, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a row. Here the cursor has been placed on the last row.
Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert Above or Insert Below from Rows and Columns group.
An empty row gets inserted. Or 2016 updates. You can use Insert Above or Insert Below command from the Rows and Columns group of Layout or Layout tab to add rows to a table in Word 2013 or 2016.
Deleting rows and columns. You can delete the rows and columns in the table using the Layout tab. To delete a row from a table, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Place the cursor in the cell of the row you want to delete.
Step 2. Click the Layout tab.
Step 3. Click the small arrow on the Delete from the Rows and Columns group. A menu appears. Step 4. Click Delete Rows from it. The entire row gets deleted. Or 2016 updates. You can use Layout or Layout tab. Delete from the Rows and Columns group and select Delete Rows option to delete a row from a table in Word 2013 or 2016. To delete a column from a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the cell of the column you want to delete.
Step 2. Click the Layout tab.
Step 3. Click the small arrow on the Delete from the Rows and Columns group. A menu appears. Step 4. Click Delete Columns from it. The column gets deleted. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Layout or Layout tab. Delete from the Rows and Columns group and select Delete Columns option to delete a column from a table in Word 2013 or 2016. Keyboard shortcut. Press Tab key to move the cursor to the next cell in a row. Press Shift plus Tab to move the cursor to the previous cell in a row. Press Alt plus Home to move the cursor to the first cell in a row.
Merging cells. Combining two or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell is called merging. Many cells can be combined together to create combined headings. To merge cells, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to merge. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Merge Cells from the Merge group. The cells get merged.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Merge Cells command from the Merge group of Layout or Layout tab to merge cells in Word 2013 or 2016.
Breaking up of a single cell into multiple cells is called splitting. This is the reverse of merging process. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. Step 2. Click the Layout tab.
Step 3. Click Split Cells from the Merge group. The Split Cells dialog box appears. Step 4. Specify the number of columns and rows in which you want to split the selected cells. Step 5. Click OK button. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Split Cells command from the Merge group of Layout or Layout tab to split cells in Word 2013 or 2016. Remember, combining two or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell is called merging. Breaking up a single cell into multiple cells in a table is called splitting. Moving and resizing tables. When you click on the table, you notice a plus sign at the top left corner. This is called the table move handle. A small hollow square at the right corner of the table is called the table resize handle.
To move the table, place the mouse pointer on the table move handle until a plus sign appears and drag the table to any part of the document and then release the mouse button. Your table is placed at the new place.
To resize the table, place the mouse pointer on the table resize handle until a double-headed arrow appears and drag the table boundary. As you drag, you see dotted lines that indicate the size of the table. Release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use table move handle and table resize handle to move and resize tables in Word 2013 or 2016. Writing simple mathematical expressions. You can do simple calculations in Microsoft Word 2010. To write simple mathematical expressions, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click in the required cell to get the result.
Step 3. Click Formula from the Data group. The Formula dialog box appears. Step 4. Now delete the text written in the formula box and type a mathematical expression with an equal sign. For example, is equal to 25 plus 30. Step 5. Select the number format in which you want to display the result and click OK button. In this case, the result 55 will be displayed in the cell. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Formula command from the Data group of Layout or Layout tab to write simple mathematical expressions in Word 2013 or 2016. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus A plus O keys to open Formula dialog box. Practical in Computer Lab. Create a table that stores the length and breadth of the following shapes. Also, calculate the area. Guidelines. Step 1. Create a table with 3 rows and 3 columns. Step 2. Type the headings in the columns as length, breadth, and area respectively. Step 3. Enter the length and breadth of the shape number 1. Step 4. Click in the required cell. Step 5. Open the formula dialog box and delete the text written in the formula box. Step 6. Type equal to 4*4 in the formula box and click OK button. Similarly, follow the above steps for shape number 2. Adjusting row height or column width. You can adjust the row height or column width in the table using the Layout tab. To adjust the row height, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor on any cell in the row. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Properties from the table group. The Table Properties dialog box appears. Step 4. Click the Row tab. Step 5. Select the Specify Height checkbox and use the scroll arrow to increase or decrease the row height. Step 6. Click OK button. To adjust the column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor on any cell in the column. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Properties from the table group. The Table Properties dialog box appears. Step 4. Click the Column tab. Step 5. Select the Preferred Width checkbox and use the scroll arrow to increase or decrease the column width. Step 6. Click OK button. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Layout or Layout tab, Properties from the table group, and select Row or Column tab from the Table Properties dialog box to adjust the row height or column width in Word 2013 or 2016. Borders and shading. You add borders and shading to your table by using the Borders and Shading command. To add borders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the cell or select the multiple cells and click the Design tab. Step 2. Click Borders from the Table Styles group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Borders and Shading option. A dialog box appears. Step 4. Choose the style, color, and width of the border. Step 5. Click OK button. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Design or Design tab, Borders from the Borders group, and select Borders and Shading option to add borders to a table in Word 2013 or 2016. To add shading, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the cell or select multiple cells and click the Design tab. Step 2. Click Shading from the Table Styles group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Select and click the color of your choice to get the required result. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Shading command from the Table Styles group of Design or Design tab to add shading to a table in Word 2013 or 2016. Table styles. Table styles is an inbuilt facility of Microsoft Word for changing the look, color, and design of the borders of a table. It is present in the Design tab on the ribbon. The Design tab appears only when a table is inserted. Step 1. Click on the table in the document. Step 2. Click the Design tab. Step 3. Click More button in the Table Styles group. Step 4. Choose any visual style from the gallery. The preview of the selected style can be seen on the table. Click to apply. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use More button in the Table Styles group of Design or Design tab to apply table styles in Word 2013 or 2016.
Okay, dear students, I hope that each and every concept is clear to you. But still, if you are facing any type of problem or doubt, you can message me. Okay?